Hi, it's Dr. Gemelli. You've had some good questions on the final media project, finding media examples of empathy project or paper, whatever you want to call it. So thank you for those. I apologize if the assignment directions haven't been too clear or any, the need for clarity. It could be that, this is one of those assignments where it was something I could answer questions in class and really good questions in class from students when I taught it in person, and then sometimes you forget sometimes that there aren't the right details there for students online. So I apologize for that, but hopefully this offers some clarity for the assignment. So a good question about how many paragraphs per kind of example or kind of how it's supposed to be structured. So I provided an example that's under those course questions. I believe that was, yes, it was Jennifer. Basically this is an example of what it can look like. You're going to either show that ad, this person put in the URL and embedded that, and then also included the link. And so this first paragraph basically explains what the video is about. It's just kind of, just the details of the actual video or picture or whatever it is that you're sharing. So that's what that part is. The two paragraphs that I'm really interested in that, and you put as much thought into them as you can, is these paragraphs connecting it to any of the concepts that we've talked about over the course. And this student last semester decided to link it back to something pretty specific from your textbook about well-functioning communities. It's also bringing out kind of culture, the empathy and culture concept that we just went over. But it's talking about, when we have companies like this that are showing diversity and celebrating diversity and showing that it's a good community and a positive community. It's reaching out to those consumers so that you can trust this company, you can rely on it, and this contributes and can contribute to our capacity for empathy just in general in terms of that, again, cultural capacity for it. It also proves some brand loyalty, so people would really like this positive image and like that creates that community where you would purchase their products because you like what they're saying and you believe it has a connection to empathy. So these are the real key parts to this assignment. This is where your grade will be most heavily weighted. So you need to make sure that you link it back again to any of the concepts that we've studied. It could be specifically to Manassas in the textbook. It could be to any of the supplemental articles that I've assigned, but make sure that it is showing an in-depth understanding of the concept that you're putting forth. So I hope you found this helpful. If you have any other questions, please let me know. Thanks.